Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. We are at World of Wheels 2025. You're about to check out some crazy cars here, so smash that thumbs up, click the notification bell, and get ready for the ride of your life. Stay tuned. Alright, here we are at the 2025 World of Wheels. If you can't start off with the Corvette, might as well start off with the Nova. I like these. What do you think? It's a nice car. Let's go to this El Camino here. Wow. That's something else. Let's get a closer look. Which way should we go? I say we go forward. I'm liking what we see in front of us. What do we got here? Malibu? Is that what this is? A 64 Chevrolet Malibu Super Sport. Custom. That's cool. That's cool. That paint is something else. That's a beautiful car. Let's check out these old school 40. That's called 40. There's probably a reason behind it. Yep, just walk right in front of the camera. That's what we have to deal with, folks. So sometimes if my videos look a little, you can blame the public. That's nice. Gatsby, 1985. That's interesting. Something different. This one's called Cold as Ice. I don't know, but I'm liking it. Let's get a look inside. That's cool. Here's Cold as Ice. Plymouth? Am I wrong? Don't hurt me. It is a Plymouth. It's a satellite. Let's get a look at that interior, which appears all stock. I'm liking it. Let's get a look at underneath the hood here. I know that's custom underneath the hood here, but it's a beautiful car. All right, we're gonna do a 180 here. Because I'm interested in this Plymouth Duster. I like these rims. Call me what you will. I like them very much. This looks cool. You don't see a lot of these at shows either. You can read that for yourself. All kinds of stuff from the eye, as far as the eye can see. Let's see what else we can get. More of my speed, C2, Corvette 427, period correct custom rims. This is a 67, green over green. We know how much I like the green. Maybe someday I'll get a second green Corvette. For now, I'll keep what I got. This is awesome. This is definitely worth walking over these ropes. Let's check out the interior. This looks just a set of period correct aftermarket rims from being bone stock, the way I like it. The only way to have it. Stinger hood, as they call it. Not many Corvettes here, folks, but this is one of the nicest. I drive this. Let's get some Chevy action going on here with this convertible. Beautiful car. Nice. Custom rims. I'm liking that. And ooh, green. 1970 Chevelle SS. Wow. Liking the green, liking the green. What do you think? Cowl induction. Black interior. Automatic. Roxanne is her calling her. Malibu 350. Mild custom. Another nice car. Another automatic. I like the color combination. I hope you do too. Pontiac Le Mans Sport. Is that what I'm seeing? Convertible? That's cool. Is that a replica window sticker? I'm thinking so. Let's get a look at the interior. We'll let you read the window sticker. And a look underneath the hood, which appears to be all stock. Another local product. Let's move on, see what else we can find. Let's get a look at some Camaros here. We got a 1971 mild custom Z28. That's cool. Oh, I like that. This is the second gen Camaro. Here's the first gen Camaro coming up here. Look at this, 69. Custom. That's nice. Look at that. You'd have to see this to believe it. Can you excuse me, sir? I'd like to. Thank you so much. Some people are nice and kind when you're videoing. The interior is as stock as it could be, at least from what I can tell. Another Camaro. 68 it says. Another custom. Black, silver stripes, black interior. I like it. I like it very much. I like it very much. Let's check out this Buick GS convertible. This is nice. This appears all stock. That's the way I like it. You know that. 1969. 400 stage 1 as they're calling it. That's nice. There's another Buick. 1977. Yeah, there's a sign. Century Custom. This is crazy. This is interesting. We like this. Let's get a look at the interior. The possible original broadcast sheet. Is that possible? Looks like it. Anyway, this is crazy. You're not going to see this every day. Enjoy it while you can. Moving on, here's another. This is a Riviera. That's nice. That's nice. Let's get a look at the interior on this one. Underneath the hood.
This is 69. Yeah, 69.
There we go.
They built 52,000.
Let's look at this Buick Regal Turbo. I'm not calling it a Grand National. T-Type, I think they call these. Here's a copy of the original window sticker for your perusal. Had to come get a look at this 1935 Packard. Wow. What do you think? Should I get a closer look? You think I can? Think I can squeeze in here? You think they'll let me? Look at that engine. That's crazy. You're not going to see this every day. I do say that often here, but it's the kind of events I bring to you here at the Corvette Dan channel. The kind of things you're just not going to see. Interesting little car here. Let's check it out. Do you know what it is yet? I don't know what it is. I think it's neat. I wouldn't sit in that back seat. 1958. Borgward Isabella? Okay, I've never heard of that. I'll be honest. I've heard of just about everything. I've never heard of that. That's interesting. What do you think? Let's get a closer look at something I've never seen before. We'll let you read. Again, this might be the first I've ever seen of one of these in my life. 3 in the tree? I don't know. Crazy. And what's this? Is this the coupe version? This might be the coupe version of what we just looked at. Again, I've never seen any of these in my life. I think it's worth taking a look. This is a 1959 version of that car. That's crazy. Excuse me, can I get behind you? Thank you so much. Oh, you're fine. Porsche 911. 1997 993 they call it. Rear engine. I don't know, to me, something about rear seats in a Porsche just kind of take away a little bit of the sports car vibe. I know it's a formidable sports car. In my opinion, Corvette's only real competition, but the seats, I don't know. Auburn. Let's look at this one. I like it. Supercharged. Well, folks, here we are back at the car that started it all, this video. Please stay tuned to my channel. Smash that thumbs up. Click the notification bell. This was 2025 World of Wheels, Rosemont, Illinois. Appreciate your support. Thank you so much.